Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter. The topic is digestive system. Before knowing in detail about digestive system, let us know it belongs to which part. Digestion is part of nutrition. Now the question arises, what is nutrition? Let us know the various steps of nutrition so that we will reach to the point of digestion. So, nutrition involves these steps. Step 1 is ingestion. Second step is digestion. Third step is absorption. Fourth step is assimilation. And fifth step is egestion. So, ingestion involves the intaking of food. Digestion involves the chemical breakdown of food. Absorption involves the diffusion of the digested food into the body cells. Assimilation involves the utilization of the nutrients by the body cells for the formation of protoplasm, whereas egestion involves the removal of the waste substances from the body. So, these are the various steps of nutrition. Let us know in detail about the process of digestion. This is the second step of nutrition and it involves the chemical breakdown of food into simplified forms with the help of enzymes, because we are going to discuss in detail about human body, how digestion occurs and what are the various steps and how it is supported by the various types of enzymes in different parts of the body. Digestive system can be classified as number 1, digestive canal. It is also called as alimentary canal. Second, digestive glands. So, what are the parts of the digestive canal? That is also known as alimentary canal or known as digestive tract. Digestive canal can be studied as the first part is the mouth, second part is the buccal cavity, third part is the pharynx, fourth part is the esophagus, fifth part is the stomach, sixth part is the small intestine, seventh part is large intestine, last part is the anus. We will discuss about each of the part in detail. So, how to classify digestive system? It is divided as digestive tract and digestive glands. The digestive tract includes mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Small intestine is divided as duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine is divided as cecum, colon and rectum. Colon constitutes ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. The digestive glands are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. This is the graphic representation of digestive system.